model, power generation from speed breakers. Introduction. Increasing the mode of energy adds to the need of identifying non-conventional resources of energy. In my project, I will discuss about power generation from speed breaker and the possible mechanism required for it. An energy crisis is any great bottleneck or price rise in the supply of energy resource to an economy. It usually refers to the shortage of oil and additional to electricity or other natural resource. And energy crisis may be referred to as an oil crisis, energy shortage, electricity crisis, the availability of fear that they will get exhausted eventually by the next few decades. Therefore, we have to investigate some approximate alternative new resources for the power generation which is not depleted by the very few years. Another major problem, which is becoming the exciting topic for today, is the polluting. It suffers all the living organisms of all kinds as on the land, in the aqua and in air. Power stations and automobiles are the major pollution producing places. Therefore, we have to investigate other types of renewable resource which produce electricity without using commercial fossil fuels, which is not producing any harmful products. Materials required. The various machine elements used in the construction of power hump or rack, supergear, flywheel, bearings, shaft, springs, and electric dynamo. Construction deals. A dome is mounted on four springs, and in the bottom, a rack is clamped. The rock consists of contact teeth on both the faces. It is connected to two gears wheel to rotate the gear wheels only in one direction. We have inserted a free wheel in each gear. The free wheel and the gear assembly are mounted centrally. The flywheel is also mounted on the same shaft, and the same shaft is simply supported at the both ends by means of ball bearings. Now a dynamo is connected to each shaft by belt drive. The output terminal of dynamo is connected to an electrical storing device. The total assembly is arranged is concert pit. Procedure or mechanism of working. While moving, the vehicles possess some kinetic energy and it is being wasted. The kinetic energy can be utilized to produce power by using a special arrangement called power hump. It is electromechanical unit. It utilizes both mechanical technologies and electrical techniques for the power generation and its storage. Power hump is a dome-like a device likely to be speed breaker. Whenever the vehicle is allowed to pass over the dome, it gets pressed downwards. Then the springs are attached to the dome or compressed, and the rack which is attached to the bottom of the dome moves downward in receiving motion. Since the rack has teeth connected to gears, there exists a conversion of reciprocating motion of rack into rotary motion of gears, but the two gears rotate in opposite direction. A flywheel is mounted on the shaft whose function is to regulate the fluctuation in the energy and to make the energy uniform so that the shafts will rotate with certain RPM. These shafts are connected through a belt drive to the dynamos which converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. The conversion will be proportional to traffic density. Whenever an armature rotates between the magnetic fields of south and north poles, an EMF, electromotive force, is included in it. So, for inducing the EMF armature coil has to rotate. For this rotation, kinetic energy of moving vehicles is utilized. The power is generated in both the directions. To convert this power into one way, a special component is called Zener diode for continuous supply. All this mechanism can be housed under the dome like speed breaker, which is called a hump. The electrical output can be improved by arranging these power humps in series. The generated power can be amplified and stored by using different electrical devices. Utility of project. The energy generated using speed breaker mechanism can be used to store in a batteries and can be used a part of for various purposes. The work basically aims to produce free electricity with no fuel cost, no pollution, and with minimum requirement of space. Speed bumps, also called traffic thresholds, speed breakers, or sleeping policemen, are the common name of a class of traffic calming devices that use vertical deflection to show motor vehicle traffic in order to improve safety conditions. Thank you.